Hello, this is Akaya. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. If you are a new viewer, thank you so much for viewing my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And today's video is going to be about me crochet weaving my client's hair. She suffered from alopecia. We will be doing a single crochets in the front, and I'll be doing regular crochets in the back, and I'll be doing a weaving net with the actual braiding hair. One day I will come out with a video with that. If you would like to take a class, contact me. I'll show you how I make my own weaving net from braids for my alopecia clients. But just go ahead and keep on checking it out. If you haven't, go ahead and press that subscribe button. I would love for you to go ahead and join the family. Also, go ahead and press that like button. And if you would like for me to do your hair, I will put all my information in the video description box. So you can go ahead and contact me because I would love to do your hair. But anyway, just go ahead and keep on watching. And I thank you for watching. And I'll come back at the end just to come back with some ending words. But again, just go ahead and take a look and I'll show you how I do my technique. Okay guys, now I am in the back now. I showed you how to be able to crochet the back. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side and I'll be finished. So hopefully that helps you. If it did, go ahead and subscribe and follow. Thank you so much. And here are the end results. And contact me now, again, if you would like for me to do your hair, because I would love to do your hair. Take care, be blessed, and I will chat with you later.